You can write the best book in the world, but if your cover and title are boring, then no one is ever going to click. Now, I say this all the time, but it seems people don't listen. Let's be real. Readers don't buy books because of quality. They buy books because of curiosity. And if your title and cover don't spark curiosity in 1 second, then you've already lost the sale. So in this video, I'm going to break this down, show you guys how to avoid this, and make sure that you guys succeed. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part 1, the psychology of clicks. Think about how you buy books on Amazon. You're scrolling, your attention span is fried, and you literally have 1,000 options. What actually makes you click? It's not the author's name, and it's not the topic. It's the combination between emotion and mystery. Your cover has to feel like it promises something powerful. Your title has to trigger that little voice that says, wait, what's that about? For example, a title like How to Sleep Better is dead on arrival, but 10-minute sleep trick that doctors hate. Now that's curiosity. Which brings me to part 2, the hidden cost of a bad cover. Here's the part that most people don't realize. Every bad cover costs you hundreds of clicks, and every lost click is a potential lost sale. It's not just about looking professional. It's about commanding attention. A $20 Canva design that blends in the background can literally destroy a book that could have made $1,000 a month. When I fixed one of my old covers, all I did was swap it out for a cinematic 3D style layout, and boom, sales jumped like crazy that week. The content didn't change at all, just the presentation. And if you want my full system for designing covers and choosing titles that actually make people click, I break it all down inside my AI publishing course. The link is below. And finally, part 3, how to fix it. All right, step 1, study top sellers in your niche. Step 2, copy their emotion, not their design. And step 3, make your title an invitation, not a summary. Covers and titles aren't decoration. They're literally marketing weapons. Use them right, and you'll literally outsell half the people uploading AI books right now. Your book might be good, but it won't matter if nobody ever clicks. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video.